name. I'm ready. If you're ready to glorify God, shout the highest praise. Hallelujah. Shout it again. Hallelujah. Now somebody shout, Yahweh be praised. Come on, say it again. Yahweh be praised. He's a worthy God, and he's worthy of honor and glory, and maybe don't glorify him. Come, clap your hands, everybody. Come. Everybody clap your hands. I'm almost there too, just a little bit more. Clap your hands, everybody. Everybody, everybody. Woo! Let's worship the Lord. Yahweh, Yahweh, holy is your name. I don't want to take it in vain. Hey. Yahweh, Yahweh, yeah. Worthy is your name. I don't want to take it in vain. There will be no other God beyond. Nobody. 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 There is not one. Beside it. There is no one. There is no one. No. No. There is no one. There is no one. Beside. No. There is no one. Who else is worthy, worthy of worship?
No one, no one, no one.
Who else is worthy, worthy of praise?
No one, no one, no one.
Who else can conquer the giant?
No one, no one, no one.
Who else can conquer the lion?
No one, no one.
I got another question. Who else can walk on the water?
No one, no one, no one.
Who else can save our sons and daughters? I feel
No
Jesus.
one, no one.
Tell me who can save us? me like Jesus.
Can nobody do me like Jesus?
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 You gotta throw your hair back. Nobody. Somebody to rock you like